gusto na namin kumain pero hindi namin alam kung saan.
Naliligaw na.
Hello everybody! So for today, please join us as we visit the biggest IKEA in the world. It is located at MOA Square, Mall of Asia Complex. Since we are coming from Victory Bus Pasay Terminal, we took a grab for 194 pesos. And since we'll be staying here for 2 days, we will be checking in at the Airbnb first. If you would like to check this one out, we will put the link down below. The B&B that we booked is just a 5 to 10 minute walk away from MOA. We went straight to level 4 and the first thing that you will see is this small cafe. Our first agenda for today is to check out the showrooms. After that, have some lunch at the Swedish Restaurant. Parang ito na lang yung bedroom natin. Kaya ko na
Anong bedroom na gamit?
Oo. Parang bed siya. Oo. So, naghahanap siya ng pegboard. Pegboard pala ang tawag.
Wall lang pala. Hindi pala siya.
1-4. So, pwede ka magsabit ng kung ano-anong items. But I think ito lang bilhin mo separate.
Ito lang.
Ayan lang talaga.
Ito yung
Mga sinasabit.
separate yung mga nila.
Tsaka malinis siya tignan.
Kasama na ito dyan. Or
1-4, mura siya, no?
yeah.
8,000. But, ganda. Parang super summer vibe. Yeah. Parang ito na yung bed ng lobby. Another pegboard. 800 pesos. Third bang kailangan mo? Another pegboard. Magkano yan? 1,000. Tingin ko yung isang square yun. Ay!
Iba yung itim.
Nasa red.
Oo.
Yan ang kanilang lowest price. So, lowest price, like that. Lowest price. I think sustainable. For the good for, ay, no, people and that. For salon, coffee. So, nag-iikot kami sa mga showroom. Ganda naman yung mga showroom. Ano mo nagustuhan?
Madami.
Madami na siyang nagustuhan. Pero wala pa kami pinipili. It is our first time to visit an IKEA store and it's just amazing how there's a wide range of options to choose from. And it's kind of overwhelming at the same time, especially if you don't have anything specific in mind. Another amazing thing is that there are items that you can customize just like this table.
Yung 4.
I don't know.
Yung 1.
Baka isa-set.
Or pinakamababa.
Pagay talaga. Paano binubuksan? Buksan mo.
Sliding.
This is the perfect kind of closet. Ang ganda nito. Gusto na namin kumain. Pero hindi namin alam kung saan.
Naliligaw na.
Exactly. We found the... Saan tayo dito? Ito. Dito tayo.
Dito yung pupunta sa showroom.
Okay.
Ulit.
May charging station. Sabi din natin ako.
Ito nagpanami.
So, andito na kami. Nakuha namin lahat ng gusto namin. Actually, marami pa kami gustong kuhanin. Pero, ang dami na. Sobrang dami na yung food namin. Pumili din kami ng chocolate. Pangpasalit. Okay. Bakang Jollibee. Maharap. Maharap. Sige. Salmon. Ano yung tinikman mo?
Grabe may reaction dito.
Ano yung tinikman mo?
Okay.
Okay. Almond cake.
Sabi nila, sama daw yan.
Salmon is good. So good. May mga upuan na madami doon malapit sa pilahan. Pero sobrang daming tao doon, tsaka sobrang ingay.
Hindi mo daw.
For me, may So,
May music.
kung gusto niyo ng medyo, may music at kung gusto niyo ng mga medyo private, sa may bandang sulok, hanapin niyo yung mga yellow chairs. Konti lang ang bubo dito. Mas makakapagkwentuhan kayo. Yeah. Pero refillable pa din to. Coke for 50 pesos. At ibabas konti yung sarili nyo. Linis ng table. Actually, dapat pinapractice to. Sa lahat ng fast food.
Sa lahat.
For us. We went here on a weekend and a holiday. That's why there's a lot of people, if you can notice. After shopping, there's a lot of affordable snacks here at Swedish Bistro. So, mamili kami ng pasalubong. Na-try mo. Oatmeal ba to? Overall, we had so much fun here and we can't wait to go back to fill our future home with good and quality items. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.